Today we are going to discuss about some important case study parameter is which one factor recently we have faced in India, lot of failures, lot of crashes in aircraft and rockets and satellites. So in this video we elaborately we share or we discuss about what is the maximum possible reasons for that failure condition in space vehicles and how to we can rectify or how to we can overcome of that failure conditions in future environment effectively. You can share your views or you can share your knowledge about the recent failures or explanation about the success remedial for that in the condition.
Good afternoon, everyone. We are here to tell about the case study on the
satellite failure conditions
of the GSAT-6A, and it was the GSAT-6A satellite is a communication satellite, and it is developed by the ISRO and launched in March 2018, and it was successfully launched in the placed orbit, but it suddenly has the miscommunication. How it is means, first 2 days it is operated in the good manner, and ISRO people can get the information in the correct way, and they can also get the communication in the right way. But after 2 more days, that the satellites have the failure. Even though it is placed in the correct orbit, but it is in failure cases. By this failure cases, we have to do the case study, and my teammates will explain it.
So I will explain the problem. It's located in the satellite power and the electronic communication system. The communication between the satellite and the Earth.
The communication between the satellite and the Earth in Earth condition or in Earth orbital station, scientists will have to maintain the all data relevant from the communication between Earth and satellite.
So it's a communication swap. So that we can search for the GPS and tracker and communication system. The ISRO tried to connect to the communication, but the communication response is failure. So the mission was failure.
What is the failure for that miscommunication in that area?
Okay, the failure of GSAT-6A have many important impacts. The first one was financial loss of about rupees 270 crore as the satellite cannot be reused, and the second one was delay in communication as the communication was meant for military purposes, and the third one was about the satellite cannot be reused and it still stays in the orbit somewhere. So this creates an space debris problem. We also have a lot of launch vehicles staying in the space, which causes more space debris problem. And however, ISRO rectified this problem on the next mission, and they came back very successfully.
So overall, to conclude, GSAT-6A satellite failure that shows the space mission in high risk and technical complexity. After this failure, ISRO can achieve improve the design for power system and used in reliable electronic components and enhanced testing and quality control. After this, ISRO is continued more achievement like Chandrayaan-1, Chandrayaan-2 and Aditya L1. Mainly the failure is occurred in electronic component, because even a small failure is occurred in electronic components means it can lead to total loss of mission. So it is a failure is not end of the mission. It can step toward the future success mission.
Okay. Recently, yesterday you are studying. You are written about your GATE examination. You can feel from the question paper is relevant to any type of case studies in aerospace domain.
No, sir, not case studies.
Give questions, numerical questions.
What type of numerical questions you have faced? Each one you have their own analytical questions. from that case study questions
So
better.
it is mostly in aerodynamic related side with more content questions.
From your side,
From space mechanics, they asked about eccentricity and Kepler's law also, sir.
your side, you did a GATE exam.
No, sir.
You,
Yes, sir. So most of them ask the center of gravity and aspect ratio. It's more
we
problem.
have even now know the value of universal universal gravitational constant. What's the value of the universal?
6.6.4.
What is the denoted symbol for that?
G.
Okay. In future, you have studied or you have to relate in any topic from your course side. Suddenly, you have to search from that core topic into a case study basis content.